bro.
What is going on, guys? It's Toby here, and today we're going to be unboxing a full carbon fiber GT500 wing from Sally. It is from Extreme Online Store. They sent it to me, so we're gonna see how it looks on the car and possibly also put it on John's car. I'll know the deal with unboxings. Hopefully I don't leak my address, but I hate these things, man. It's the most annoying part. Now it's time for the key to player roll in here. So hopefully I can get the entire thing open from just this side. I'm telling you guys, this wing is pretty freaking massive. I hope it didn't get damaged in shipping though, because it is carbon fiber, and you know how these shipping companies get. So we'll put it together and then I'll see how it looks on Sally. Here's some of this styrofoam back to see it. Oh, is this just a gloss black one? I think this may just be gloss black. Look how freaking massive this wing is. Holy crap. We'll see the carbon one sooner or later. But look at this. This is nutty. This is a huge wing. Pretty much just used my intuition to figure this out. So we have this piece right here, which is this plastic piece. It goes inside of the slot. And then I put the 4 bolts in there that fit. And I basically just used logic and reason. If you have 4 bolts here, you need 4 bolts over there. We had a total of 8 bolts. It's these shorter ones right here. So to tighten this up, I'm basically just gonna hold the bolt or the nut on the backside and tighten with the screwdriver, or I meant the drill. So I need 2 hands for this. Friction, it seems like the 2 shorter bolts go on the backside. So wherever they thread, I mean, just test it out. So obviously if it threads there, it's perfect. And then this one's slightly longer. It'll go on top of here, etc., etc. Now we can just, perfect. 99% confident that we're all done here since both of these stands are now ready to go. We just need to put the winglets on. Just trying to see what's up with this, because watch, as I put the wing down, obviously I don't have that bolt in there, but like, doesn't balance 100% properly. Never mind, I just remembered that the Mustang trunk, obviously, you know, this wasn't very good on my common sense side of things. The Mustang trunk has a curve to it, so that's perfect. That's exactly how it would look. Let's get these winglets on next. To clarify once again, if you guys are looking to do this at home, this is exactly what the wing stand setup is gonna look like. You could change the angle of attack as previously mentioned, but that gives you a general idea. And this is the direction. So the L shape is gonna come out here, obviously like this, and then when it goes down, it'll be like that. Hey Leo, how are you, buddy? But then they want you to use 3M to secure the winglets. I honestly wouldn't trust just 3M. I would put some self-tapping screws in there, or possibly make a bracket for it so that I know it's not gonna go flying off. I'll tell you guys what, this is the part that I always struggle with the most. Getting this freaking 3M backing off. I had to grab a pair of tweezers because I literally don't have nails. Self-explanatory here, but it looks way better with that winglet on now. Oh, that is aggressive. Go ahead and make sure that everything lines up before we get the 3M in there. An entire 10 minutes to get together, so let me know if you guys think I should put this on the car, possibly with a carbon fiber version over the one I have right now, but I think we need a preview on Sally, so let's go downstairs. Ooh, I'm glad I didn't just break the elevator, but look at how big this wing is. Holy moly. All right, Sally, are you ready? I really, really want to use John's car as demo because we won't have to take all that adhesive off, but let's see how it looks. Disregard my custom carbon fiber wing, but that looks nutty. Oh my God. You know what? I think I might have to do this, but with raw carbon. Actually, quick pull. So should I switch to that right there? As you can see, it looks a lot better on the ground now that the winglets are on it. Or should I keep my current wing that I have on Sally? Up this vlog from, I don't even know when the last time I filmed something about it was, but now we have John's car so we can throw it on the back of it and it's all prepped up. So he recently wrapped his trunk and it's gonna give it a super nice contrast. You can also see the holes.
Don't look too close.
Where he had his previous Scott Drake wicker bell.
Scott Drake wicker bell spoiler. For sale.
So this is what the EOS wing is gonna look like on his car. And then if we back up in just a second, dang! The kit EOS actually gives you this little 3M backing, so you peel it, stick it, and this can tell you exactly where your guide holes are going to be. What the hell? They better line up or you have 3 new holes that you're going to have to do a Bondo job like this on. It doesn't line up on your side? No.
Only one of them lines up at a time.
No.
Yeah.
Because you didn't drill pilot holes on this side, that's why.
John realizing that the screw is down in the pit.
Yeah, how are you gonna get that? Now that we've got all 5 screws, you know, originally it was 6, but I dropped one. We are all good to go. So let's see the final reveal here. We'll close the lid. We need it in the sunlight though. That looks crazy. So once again, big shout out to EOS or Extreme Online Store. You guys gotta check them out. This is where you can get the Gt500 track pack wing. It looks so neat. Show every single angle here with the drag pack, so it looks super neat. I think we need to see it shoot some flames with the Gt500 wing on the back of it. And it did it. For some reason, the wing just completely folded in the middle when John got a little bit more speed, so I don't know what's up with that. Oh no, it cracked. Oh! Rip the wing, bro.
Too much downforce.
Yeah, it cracked.
It's not too much down.
Dude, it cut my wrap too.
Did it actually?
Look at the wrap. It's
It
cut.
hit. Oh. Yeah, that thing completely folded and took some of his wrap, but I mean, that's like a small nick on there, whatever.
Guess I can't go more than 90.
I don't know if how many revs do I need to get
Like
this
4,000. Ah, there you go.
Ready? Dude, it's actually kind of fast. They just drove the C6 base and it was a blast with the LS3. It has headers, that's pretty much it. 2 intake. It's gonna tip out. Man, that thing was a blast to ship. Sounds so neat. We gotta drag you that one day. That thing is way too fun. I think I need a C6, boys. Pretty much just need to wait on EOS to send a replacement blade or that main piece, and then we'll transfer over the stands and the winglets. But I mean, the wing looks really cool. I wish it just didn't pop off on the highway or fold in half. So that's pretty much gonna do it for the review and install of that wing. If you guys enjoyed this video, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.